Hey guys, I was sent over this cleaning kit. This is GuardTech Plus. Looks like it has all the stuff in it. We're going to get it opened up and take a look at it and see what all we get. And then I'm going to try it out. I'm going to try it for a little bit and see what I think about it. Here's all the stuff that it comes with here. Let's open it up and see what we have. This is a layout of it right here. Looks like it pretty much has everything you could use for a cleaning one. Even comes with a little sticker here. There's swabs and a little oil bottle. Okay, it says it has for a 30 caliber and larger, and this one over here is for a 17 caliber through a 270 caliber. 12 brass jags, 17 millimeter, 22, 243, 6 millimeter, 25, 270, 30, 338, 357, 9 millimeter, 375, 40, 44, and a 45, which is the one we will need. And it comes with 4 brass slotted tips. Looks like one of them's out of place here. 3 brass adapters. Then you're going to have 9 cotton mops. Once you get it cleaned out, you can run these through there. Okay, underneath the cotton mops here, looks like you're going to have 3 cleaning picks. Now, these are plastic, but they should do pretty good. Got a little flexibility to them, so they'll be good. Getting little pieces of dirt out. Got a total of 14 bronze brushes for various calibers. And it has a more cleaning string here. You got your cleaning patches and plastic muzzle guards. Like I said, it looks like it has pretty much everything. It's even got a 50 caliber brass jag over here. I won't be needing that one, but one of these days I might. And if I do, I will have it. It looks like a pretty complete kit. You just have to get your own solvent and oils. It doesn't come with those, but it did come with the bottle. So that's a plus. One of the things I just noticed on your brass, it is numbered for your gauge. So that's pretty nice. Not any guessing, which shouldn't really have to guess too much anyway, but nevertheless. Feels pretty good. I'm sure just that right there is going to help it. Went out shooting a couple of times and didn't clean it up good. Just run it through there. Just to kind of buff it clean. Should be really nice and clean now. This is a nice kit, y'all. If you've got parts and stuff that need cleaning, really nice. These, I don't see a 45, but that 40, the one for the 40 caliber worked just fine. Did a good job on it. If you're looking for a pretty much complete set, you might check this one out. The only thing that's missing is the solution and your oil. But you can probably keep that in a separate container anyway, so you can keep it upright. No worries about leaks. There it is. Really nice cleaning kit. I like it. And hey, if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.